Now, dudes, got you a real special treat. I'm gonna let Reagan try it out first. Then we're gonna go slam on it in the woods, the creek, and see if it can hold up, boys. You tell me. Huh?
Wait, which one's the chopper?
Which one you think's the chopper? You gonna ride it? See if you can pull start it. Hop on the other side. Oh, come on now. Give her a jank. Both hands, maybe. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. You gotta want it.
Hang on. This is the one. This is the one.
Almost. You never walk to the destination. Guys, I always ride to the destination. Hey, easy, boy. Easy, boy. It's a chopper. It's a chopper. No way he doesn't spill on this thing. Oh, he's gonna hit the jump. No suspension. Woo! Oh, easy, boy. Let's see you stop. Let me see you use your brake. Let off the gas, boy. Oh, now I gotta start it again. You'll start it? What? I seen you try and start it earlier. Almost. Whoa! Heck yeah, dude. Now you really earned it. Go ride it. Be careful. That turn. A mini biker now. You like it?
Yes, I do.
It's pretty fun, huh? Hold on, let me turn the choke all the way on. Oh, that's on. Now you should really get all the torque. Fingers cold. No problem. Really? No dirt on Reagan.
You didn't do it.
Need the MX tags. Come on. How am I gonna do it? You got a sweet truck? There's a dew blocker. Do a lap around the pond and up the hill. Okay. Yeah. Better pin it, boy. Show everybody you don't know how to ride, give them one of these. Did you bend that when you jumped it earlier?
These mini bikes are sure fun.
They're fun?
Yeah.
See that motor right there? That's what they call a stage 3. So it should have like 15 horsepower. They say 18, but they're, you know how they are. Guys, in the shed of dreams over here, just hanging out. That was fun, right?
Yeah.
My girthiness on that jump, my sheer willing to send it, and I kind of drooped to that.
Because it has that military vibe.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, that's pretty neat. Look, you can put all your Pokemon cards in here and your Pokeball.
Yeah, like I could go to my friend's house and then I could just pull them out and say, guys, look.
Yeah, look what I got. Ooh, like new, guys. I got this delivered for $220. Some fresh gas. Got her going. Old city boy had her. I already broke it in good by hitting an early jump and bending the peg. Let me go get my GoPro and let's hit the woods. Here we go, boys. Whoa. This thing's totally trail capable. We'll see. It's got a nice drum brake. Damn. Damn, y'all. Cool thing about it is top speed ain't too fast for the woods, like 20 mile an hour. Took her too tight. fun trying to go for a foot brake. Yeah. Sketchy in here, dudes. Blair Witch. Man, this torque converter is pretty nice. Definitely converts a little torque. Let's go off-road back there, double off-road. We're just kind of off-road right now, hold on. We're gonna go off-road. Can I dive in right here? Show it can. Sure can, boys. What's up? This ain't no baby stuff. Ah, smash! Oh, shit. Oh yeah, I forgot she's a hardtail, boys. Forgot about that. And she only got one peg. Ooh, steep one. Come on, you stupid torque converter. We're gonna try a run at her, boys. Let's get back here. Oh, only got a back brake. Let's go. I had to help her a little bit, but she made it. All right. I'll go ahead and give it back to him. It's theirs after all. Come on. You fucking beast. There we go. Oh, got us a double down tree. Oh, whacked me. Ooh, she's steep, dudes. Hold on. Freaking sent it. Oh, yeah, sensor, boys. Oh, she's a bumpy motherfucker now. Hold on, boy. Skirt. Back here. Here's a jump. Just clap the clutch out of this piece of shit. Freaking off-roader, dudes. This thing's certified. It's a big speed. Oh shit! Send it! Dang. I wasn't nice to it. I was giving it the business a little bit there. Reagan dropped it earlier trying to pull start it, but now he can start it on his own. Come on, baby. Don't let me down. Yes. Guys, daggum. Now, it doesn't have the top speed like my wife's Ruckus. I mean, that Ruckus now, it goes about 38. This sucker does about 20. It's got a little more torque. Yeah, a little more torque with that torque converter. Whew. Get up in there, dudes. Not a bad buy for. I got it. Well, I've got her listed for sale for $525. But if you're a Time Machine subscriber and you're watching the videos and stuff, and you jump on Instagram Time Machine ATVs and give us a follow. You could earn it for 450 bucks, guys. Get up in there, dude. Appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Lots more videos coming. With TRX90 conclusion, some riding footage. I'm just now getting into this Tri-Z. I'm about to split the bottom end on it. And then we're rebuilding, guys, so get up in there. That's gonna be an awesome one. If you're mini bike guys, get on the channel, dudes. We're gonna do some definite mini bike building this spring. Thanks. Ooh. Let's see about that quad. You wanted to ride a kid killer, that's a CR60. That's got a CR85, boy.
Oh my God. Whoa.
Get on it. Thing is nice. Let me see you pull in the clutch. Can you pull the clutch? Hey, you gotta use manual clutch. Look, 6 gears.
What?
2-stroke, baby.
6 gears?
6 gears. Ripper. I blew the head gasket, actually.
You did.
I was ripping on it so good. Lots more on the channel, dude. You mini bike guys, get up in there. We're gonna have some mini bike builds coming this spring. You don't want to miss it. Reagan had some fun on this the other day.
Yeah.
That's on the channel too.
You should watch that video. It's
Yeah.
a very fun video.
Reagan had very much fun doing donuts on this.
Fun.